Imagine a motorhome that carries Ford's tough, no-nonsense DNA, but wraps it in modern technology, comfort, and future-ready innovation. That's the idea behind the 2027 Ford Motorhome. A vehicle designed not just to get you to your destination, but to make the journey smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable than ever before. This motorhome is all about balance, strength and efficiency, performance and comfort, practicality and innovation. At the heart of the 2027 Ford Motorhome is a powertrain built for real-world use. Instead of relying only on traditional diesel engines, Ford is expected to push toward a hybrid, advanced fuel-efficient drivetrain, possibly even a fully electric option for certain markets. The goal here isn't extreme speed, but confident, effortless performance. You get strong low-end torque for pulling weight, climbing hills, and merging onto highways without stress. Acceleration feels smooth and controlled, not sluggish and highway. Cruising is calm and stable, even at higher speeds. One of the biggest advantages of Ford's engineering is reliability. The drivetrain is imagined to be based on Ford's proven truck platforms, meaning it's designed to handle long distances, heavy loads, and tough conditions. Whether you're driving across flat highways, winding mountain roads, or uneven rural routes, the motorhome feels predictable and secure. Advanced transmission tuning ensures power is delivered smoothly, reducing engine strain and improving fuel efficiency over long trips. Ride comfort is another area where the 2027 Ford Motorhome stands out. An adaptive suspension system absorbs road imperfections, making rough roads feel far more manageable. At lower speeds, the suspension stays soft for comfort, while at highway speeds it firms up for better stability. Crosswinds, which can be a nightmare in large motorhomes, are handled with improved aerodynamics and electronic stability system that help keep the vehicle planted and easy to control. From the outside, the design is modern but purposeful. This motorhome looks unmistakably Ford, with a bold front grille, strong body lines, and a confident stance. It doesn't try to look flashy or futuristic for the sake of it. Instead, it looks durable and well-built. LED lighting improves visibility at night, while aerodynamic shaping helps reduce drag and improve efficiency. Large side mirrors, cameras, and sensors are seamlessly integrated, improving safety without cluttering the design. Step inside and the focus shifts to comfort and usability. The interior of the 2027 Ford Motorhome is designed to feel like a smart, comfortable living space rather than just a vehicle cabin. Materials are durable but refined, with easy-to-clean surfaces, soft touch panels, and thoughtful storage solutions everywhere you look. The layout is open and airy, making the space feel larger and more welcoming, especially on long trips. The driving cockpit feels familiar to anyone who's driven a modern Ford truck or SUV. A digital instrument cluster displays essential driving information clearly, while a large central touchscreen runs Ford's latest infotainment system. Navigation, vehicle settings, entertainment, and climate controls are all easy to access, reducing distraction while driving. Smartphone integration, voice commands, and over-the-air updates keep the system feeling modern and up-to-date. Living amenities are where this motorhome truly becomes a home on wheels. The seating areas are designed for both relaxation and functionality, easily converting into sleeping spaces when needed. Storage compartments are cleverly hidden, allowing you to carry everything from luggage to camping gear without cluttering the living area. The kitchen setup includes efficient appliances, smart storage, and enough workspace to comfortably prepare meals on the road. The bathroom is compact but practical, featuring modern fixtures, good ventilation, and water-saving technology. Every element is designed to maximize comfort while minimizing waste, which is crucial for long journeys and off-grid travel. Speaking of off-grid capability, the 2027 Ford Motorhome is imagined to support solar panels, advanced battery systems, and smart energy management. This allows you to power lights, appliances, and entertainment systems without constantly relying on external hookups. Safety is a major priority, and Ford's experience shows here. The motorhome is expected to come with a full suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies make driving a large vehicle far less intimidating especially for new motorhome owners. What truly makes the 2027 Ford Motorhome unique is its focus on accessibility and trust. This isn't a hyper-luxury concept built for a handful of buyers. It's designed for real people who want freedom, reliability, and comfort without unnecessary complexity. Ford's massive service network and reputation for durability mean owners can travel with confidence, knowing support is available almost anywhere. In simple terms, the 2027 Ford Motorhome represents a smart evolution of the RV experience. It blends Ford's legendary toughness with modern technology and thoughtful living design. It may not be the flashiest motorhome on the road, but it's one of the most practical, reliable, and user-friendly for familias, adventure, e-lovers, or anyone dreaming of life on the open road. This motorhome shows how the future of travel can be comfortable, capable, and confidently Ford.